Rahim, Assalamu alaikum class metric. How are you all? Hopefully you are fine, and today we are starting our lecture. Last time in the class we started exercise 1.2 and we did number 1 A complement, B complement, A intersection B, A union B whole complement, A intersection B complement, and I gave you homework question number 6 A and complement intersection B complement. So let us see how we will do this. First we will solve A complement equal to U minus A. We will subtract A from U. We get the A complement BDG. After that we solve B complement. B complement is U minus B, and we will subtract B from U. After subtracting B from U, we get the answer AB. After subtracting B from U, we get B complement, that is ABC. Now we have find A complement and B complement, and we do the intersection of both A complement and B complement. A complement is BDG and B complement is ABC, and we find the intersection. The common element between A complement and B complement is B. So this is our answer. This was your homework. So check your homework. Now we are moving toward question number 7. In question number 7 we have given universal set and we have to find union with null set. Our union set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and we have to do union with empty set or null set. So after doing union we get the same universal set. So we get A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is our answer of question number 7. Now moving towards question number 8. This is universal set intersection empty set. Universal set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and we do intersection with the empty set. As there is a no such element is common in both sets, so we write answer as a null set. Now question is given for question number 9 to 15. Given the sets A is equal to X such that X is a positive even integer less than 10. It is a positive set of positive integer less than 10 even integers. So even integers are 2, 4, 6 and 8, and B is a set of positive odd integer less than 10. So the B set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the subset of universal set. So universal set contain both sets, A set and B set. So the universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. List the element of, so we have to list the element. This was also your homework. In question number 9 we have to find A union B whole complement. First we will solve B complement. For B complement we have given sets here. A is 2, 4, 6, 8, B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and U is universal set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9, and we have to find A union B whole complement. First we will solve B complement, that is U minus B. We will write the U set first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and subtract B set from U set. B set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. After subtracting B from U we will get 2, 4, 6, 8. This is B complement. Then we will find the union with A. A is 2, 4, 6, 8, and we do union with the B complement. B complement is 2, 4, 6, 8. So the answer will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Now A complement intersection B complement. First we will solve A complement. A complement is U minus A. A complement is 1, 2, U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we will subtract A minus 2, 4, 6, 8. We get answer 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now we will do intersection with the B. B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and A complement is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The common element between A complement and B are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is our answer, and this was also your homework. Coming towards question number 11. that is A complement intersection B complement. First we will solve A complement. A complement is U minus A. We will write the U set minus A set. We will subtract A from U. We will get the answer 13579. Then we will solve B complement. B, we write the universal set as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 8 9, and then we will subtract B from U. We will get the answer 2 4 6 8. After doing this, we will find the intersection between A complement and B complement. We get the answer null set because there is no such element is common in both sets. 1357 is totally different from 2468, so there is no any common element between two sets. So this was your homework up to question number 11. For today's, we are going to solve question number 12, 13, 14 and 15. See here A difference B. This sign is a delta. It shows symmetric difference. This sign shows the difference of both sets A and B. We will write only those elements which are either in A or either in B, but not present in both A and B. So this is a difference, and we will write only those elements which are present either in A or either in B, but not in both. So note that there is a difference between there is a lot of difference between this minus and this symmetric difference. This symmetric difference is when there is no common we will not write those elements which are present in both, but we will write those elements which are either present in A set or either present in B set. So let us solve A symmetric difference B. First we will write A, that is 13579. Then we will write the symmetric difference sign, and then we will write the 2468. So see here, all elements here are different, and also all element 2468 is different from 13579. So we will write those elements which are not present in both. So both sets are not present in each other set, so we will write combinedly as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now coming towards question number 13, A minus B complement. First we will solve B complement. B complement is U minus B. First we will write the set U, then we will subtract B from U. So we get B complement, that is 2 4 6 8. A, now we will find A minus B complement. We write A minus B, answer of complement A B complement we write here, and then we will subtract B complement from A. We get the answer null set because there is no any common element that has been subtracted from A, so the answer of both are null set. Now we again find the symmetric difference. A complement symmetric difference B. A complement is U minus A. U is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then A is 2 4 6 8. After subtracting from A from U, we will get the answer 13579. This is the answer of the A complement. Now we will find the symmetric difference between A complement and B. A complement that we get here is 13579. We will write in this here. Then we find the symmetric difference with the B. Symmetric difference sign here, and B is 13579. So elements in both sets are same. So as we know that in symmetric difference we write only those elements which are either present in A or either present in B. So the answer will be null set here. As we will solve the today's last question 15, A complement intersection B complement. First we will solve the A complement. A complement is U minus A. We will write the U set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus A set. A set is 2 4 6 8. After subtracting from 2 4 6 8 from U set, we get the answer 13579. This is the answer of our A complement. Now we will solve A complement intersection B. A complement is 13579, intersection B. B is 13579. So all elements are same, so our answer will be 13579. This is our A complement intersection B. Now we will solve A complement intersection B whole complement, that is U minus A complement intersection B. First we will write the U set, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus, then we will write the answer of A in complement intersection B. This is 1 3 5 7 9. So we will subtract 13579 from U. We will get the answer of A complement intersection B whole complement, that is 2468. So this was today's class. Inshallah we will meet in next class and we will solve question number 6 and onwards. So Allah Hafiz, take care.